no gold is not enough.
What's good, guys? So this is a bit of a different video today. We're actually outside unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm actually kind of excited to unbox this thing because I haven't been with an iPhone for the last 5 days now, so kind of excited to go back. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Alright, now in the moment of truth, we can go ahead and slide the box open just like normal. Whoa! This color is really awesome. If you guys don't know, this is the brand new Sierra Blue color, and this looks a lot better than the pictures, trust me. I don't think the camera can really do this phone justice because this color just looks so different than what we're typically used to seeing on iPhones this year, so that's awesome. I did have the Gold 12 Pro Max before this, and the Pacific Blue 12 Pro Max before that, so I'm kind of glad to go back to blue this year. So let's go ahead and peel this screen off. Oh. Got that new notch too, 20% smaller than the last one, which is going to be awesome, as well as the 120 hertz refresh rate. That's something I've really been waiting for a long time, so excited to check that out. Let's see what else is inside the box. Along with the phone, we get the USB-C to Lightning charging cable, as well as a few pamphlets. So we have a SIM eject tool, sticker, and quick start guide. Looks like it's prompting us to set it up, so let's go ahead and swipe up, and it is already so much more responsive. That's so crazy. As for now, I don't think I'm going to be setting this up quite yet, so stay tuned for a review video. This is just kind of a quick unboxing. As you can tell, the notch is just so much smaller this year. I love that. And also, this color looks great, trust me. I also did go out and grab the Spigen clear case with MagSafe, so let's go ahead and install that now. And it looks amazing. I'm actually really glad I went for this case for this color. Wow, that looks awesome. Anyway, this is probably one of the quickest unboxings you've probably seen on YouTube, so make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you got any questions about the 13 Pro Max before we go ahead and post the review. And yeah, thanks for watching again. Peace out.